Having instructions repeat itself is an essential to any programming language. A for loop repeats itself a specific number of times. In a for loop, you're going to have an initializer followed by the condition and then an increment. Within your for loop's brackets, you're going to have the logic that needs to be executed. This will occur until the condition is no longer met. In the first example, the for loop will repeat itself until it increases its increment to 3. In the second example, the for loop will repeat itself until the increment reaches 5. The increment value has been placed outside of the for loop. In this next example, it is a while loop, and it will repeat itself until the increment becomes 10. The following example will add a break that will be at the increment of 5. So this while loop will repeat itself, but break at the increment of 5. In this final example, the increment will increase to 10, but while it is 5, it will continue past the remaining logic within the while loop. If we view this in our browser, our first for loop had an alert added to it that will execute 3 times. This value was also supplied to the paragraph tag, and it was only the final value from the for loop. It's the same with our second for loop that was executed 1 time outside of the for loop brackets. And the final value that was given to the paragraph tag was that actually exited the loop. So we see the loop execute 5 times, and it given the paragraph tag the value of 6. In our while loop, it repeated itself 10 times, exiting the loop at 9. In our next example, it will execute 4 times and break at the 5th increment. Then our third loop example, we'll see that it will continue up to 4, skipping 5, and then ending at 9. And this ends the basic review of loops in JavaScript.